Hey guys, I'm Dr. Kate from Bondi Veterinary Hospital, and today I'm here with the very lovely Anna Kooiman.
Hi.
Anna is actually an international TV host as well as being a lifestyle writer. And not only is Anna a new mum, but she's also a dog mum to Baxter. You know, I was reading this stat recently, 13,000 people a year present to hospitals around Australia for dog bites. That absolutely breaks my heart. And that stat actually comes from Melbourne Children's Hospital, with children under 5 being most at risk of getting bitten by a dog. And a lot of the time it's really preventable just by actually careful supervision. So we hear all of these really, really awful stories, but what we don't hear enough about is actually the health benefits, or the benefits in general, of actually growing up with a dog. So children actually suffer less allergies and less asthma or respiratory infection just by actually having a pet. Growing up around a pet means that actually children need less antibiotics, or their course of antibiotics is a lot less than children that don't. And that includes even like children who've actually had contact with a pet from a really young age.
Yeah, and even socially too, right? I mean, with Brooks growing up around Baxter, that'll make him be more accustomed to being around other dogs and not be afraid. And
we often see they suffer less of anxiety, depression, just by actually having a pet to talk to. So that's a really good psychological benefits. The other thing is that, you know, a lot of the time, but often children are actually more likely to actually approach another child that actually has a dog.
Oh, is that right? That makes sense, I guess.
Dogs, I guess, are a way of connecting, right? So particularly I think for children that are probably a little bit shy or maybe don't know how to actually approach other children, it's a really good way of actually helping them to make new friends. Guys, one of the other things that I often see is that pet owners are more likely to actually get outside than
100%.
Non-pet owners are. And I think that also goes for children. You know, they're a reason to get up and out.
Yes, and it helped me stay on track too and behave in my 20s because I had to come home to take care of him.
But that also actually in terms of responsibility as
100%.
well. So, you know, dogs and cats actually have a knack of actually being able to show children about responsibility and empathy as well. So, you know, being able to take care of something and also understand actually how another little being actually feels.
And helps you to be courteous of those around you. Whenever Baxter has a poo, you know, you have to pick it up. You know, it does teach kids to be courteous of others and not to pull on their tail or pull on ears and things like that.
Definitely think that the socialization aspects of actually having a pet at home are really, really notable. You know, having not only from being able to make new friends, but also being able to understand other kids. Guys, having a pet or getting a pet is a really big responsibility, and it's not something that I actually want to downplay because it is a lot of hard work and it shouldn't be a decision that people take lightly. But saying that, there are so many benefits, particularly if you are a mum and you've got your hands really full. Why not make them a little fuller by getting a pet?